Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 5 Series F10 or F11 with the engine guys N20, N26, this is the gasoline guys, 4-cylinder direct fuel injection twin turbo engine guys, 2.0 liter engine, and you're trying to find the camshaft sprockets guys, the timing sprockets, torque specs. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. In addition guys, we're going to share something very important that can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on future repairs, so make sure you stay with us until the end. Now, quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this 5 Series right here guys, we're making at least 200 to 300 videos guys. On this one we may even have more than that, how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep making those free videos for you. Another thing now, if you guys need any special parts, any torque wrenches, timing chain kits, anything like that for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can find all that there. This is guys a 2013 model 528 that we'll be demonstrating on. Always consult your manual guys and your service manual for your specific model configuration year, because things may differ, but that's what we found for ours guys. So now check out, at 87,000 miles timing chain failed. Okay, all the pieces came, the timing chain guides came in pieces, all that was in the oil pan. The timing jumped pre-teeth on the intake camshaft, so that's terrible guys, pre-teeth on the camshaft. I think we saved our engine, we were lucky enough, but most of you will not, and some years are affected by, from what I understand from people sharing on the forums, it's guys faulty timing chain components that leads to that. 87,000 miles and we developed that. Some vehicles are affected, so we have more on a video guys, and I would definitely recommend to do the timing chain replacement procedure. Even if you don't have that problem, don't wait, because it can cost you $5,000 to $10,000 even more. Now right here guys, we're doing the torque specs, but if you want to see the whole video, it's on the channel. It's called timing chain replacement on BMW N20 and N26. Check it out. Another thing now guys, okay, every time you get the camshaft sprockets tight, you have to have the timing tools installed. Again, you can check that in that long detailed video, but in today's video we'll just share the torque specs. Now you will need a torque wrench. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. You need to set it at 55 Newton meters for the intake and the exhaust camshaft, and 55 Newton meters is the first step, and step number 2 guys, it's 55 degrees. Okay, 55 Newton meters, step number 1, step number 2, 55 degrees. So you get the idea guys and what needs to be done. Not too complicated. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you need help with anything, again, let us know. Leave a comment below guys. That's how we get ideas for our videos, so hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.